Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to mute Infinix phone. Friends, you want to mute your Infinix phone, so how to mute? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. First friends, open your phone setting to mute your Infinix mobile. After on phone setting, how to mute. Friends, click on your phone sound and vibration setting guys. Click on sound and vibration. Friends, you can see your media volume, your ringtone volume, notification, alarm, call volume guys. You want to increase, you can increase right side and you can decrease left side guys. Increase, decrease. So friends, you can see phone vibrate for call setting is here. Friends, you want to on your vibrate for calls. You want guys your phone should vibrate on calls. So guys you can on. So guys your phone will vibrate for calls. So when you will click on never vibrate, so phone will not vibrate for calls. Hence you want to use a do not disturb page, so you can on your do not disturb setting. Hence you can see your schedule do not disturb time. You can schedule your do not disturb time from here guys. So once you can see guys your shortcut payment ringing setting. So guys click here, and once you can see mute setting is here. So guys how to mute Infinix phone? First guys click on payment ringing, and once you can see your vibrate. So guys press power and volume up together to phone vibrate, and get volume up together to mute. So once you want to mute, so guys click on mute option, press power button, and once volume up together to mute Infinix phone. So guys you can mute your Infinix phone. And friends, you don't want to mute your phone, and guys now you want to unmute. So guys second method guys, means second option guys, you can unmute from here direct. So guys search here guys prevent ringing setting. As you can see the shortcut to payment ringing setting is click here to unmute Infinix phone. So I will click here, as we will off from here payment ringing, and my phone will unmute. So like the guy we can mute and unmute guys our Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to mute and unmute Infinix mobile. So bye guys.